Namaste, Sastreakal, Vanakkam, Kemcho, Kemonachan. Welcome to this exciting ITMA special episode. We are going to review what products, innovative products that are being displayed in ITMA. The countdown for ITMA has started. Let's catch up with these innovative products being displayed at ITMA. The first product is Rimtex saliva management system. Then the second one is Jamac saliva handling system. Marginally spinning solutions, their speed frame, and MAG from MAG Evolix, the quality equipment supplier. Rimtex, is a can manufacturer. They are very popular in India and abroad. They are coming up with WizCan system for intelligent saliva management. Wow, look at the graphics. Saliva Intelligence, a breakthrough innovation by Rimtex, which combines proprietary software with most high-tech hardware to create a robust and one-of-its-kind IoT-enabled saliva management system that is driven by real-time data analytics. So here, see what is happening. They are building intelligence into the saliva cans. They are embedding a chip. Then there is a proprietary software. This combined together, they are going to collect a lot of data. Have you ever imagined that saliva cans can become so intelligent and help you in your process? That is what exactly I believe this is. It's very exciting. We need to go to the Rimtex stall, learn more about what this WizCan is all about. The latest innovation by Rimtex bridges the gap between saliva and physical machinery through intelligent application of IoT-based computing system. Welcome to the world of saliva intelligence with Rimtex WizCan. Saliva intelligence with WizCan. What are the highlights? Saliva breaks and mending time analysis, specific energy analysis, DOF analysis, breakdown analysis, material flow chart, superior process control through IoT, Internet of Things. That means this can communicate, the cans can communicate from which machine it is going to which machine in the process. Complete process flow is tracked. Maybe WizCan system for intelligent labor management. Wow, this is ultimate. This is an Indian product. So Spincare says, go local, go vocal. This is definitely very interesting, very intelligent. You need to visit this. I am definitely going to visit this. I want to learn more about WizCan and how it can help our process control improvements in the mill. The next product is Jamac saliva handling system. The revolutionary spinning innovation is here. Wow. So Jamac is also coming with some revolutionary innovation. What's that? Witness the rise of data-driven automation in spinning can management. JI Plus, Jamac Intelligence Plus, IIoT-enabled saliva management. Wow. The best of IIoT to make saliva handling smarter with sensor technology, centralized control, data insights, and last mile traceability. The revolutionary JI Plus system has been designed to take the saliva handling to the next level. Expect better quality, expect more safety, expect more. This is mind-boggling. Our Indian companies are thinking of something which nobody has thought of. They are giving not only to India, to the rest of the world. Look at this. Can you imagine cans being smarter, communicating, processing, process controls? Wow, this is highly intelligent. This is real great innovation. One should not miss. Please visit Jamac stall also and check this product. This is JI system is something revolutionary as it sounds. We need to go there. I am going there. I hope you to join us. Spincare says, go local, go local. We need to promote them. The next product is marginally spinning solutions. It's about the speed frame, which we discussed in our last video. Very innovative speed frame, stands tall. The competitors are not even close to marginally speed frames. The key points: superior quality, outstanding productivity, low investment and operational cost, fast returns on the investment, top quality roving, complete range of for all market requests, full mechanical and logical integration of the spinning unit, full automation and total flexibility, superior efficiency throughout the spinning section, trouble-free production management, reduced power consumption, reduced vibrations and friction, low maintenance, low noise, several options for the drafting area, simple and fast setup of the draft, accuracy in implementation of the desired draft, top drafting performance and perfect control of fibers, prevention of roving overlapping, automatic piecing up of the roving after doffing, thinner tubes for higher bobbin capacity, hexagonal creel rollers to prevent sliver false drafts, immediate stop of the machine in case of sliver roving breakage, easy and fast semi-automatic doffing, no human intervention in the automatic doffing, high reliability, maximization of the number of spindles per square meter, high productivity, gauge of 110 mm between the spindles, outstanding energetic performances, lower electrical maintenance required. This is a mind-boggling speed frame. Top on quality, top on energy saving, top on space saving, wonderful automations, lesser doffing time. This is simply great. You need to go visit the stall, and this is one mission you should not miss if you are visiting ITME. And the last product is from Mag Evolvix. We are going to discuss today Spinfo, online spinning information system. Spinfo monitors the crucial process parameters of a spinning mill, including production, doffs, stoppages, end breaks, rogue spindles, slip spindles, idle spindles, draft, twist, roving, stop motion, power consumption, air consumption, temperature and RH, pneumafuel, suction controls. Over 2 million spindles are working in India and abroad. This is the only system to offer compressed air consumption mission-wise, so that you know where the leakages are and you can arrest them and save a lot on the leaks. Department RH, apart from your H plant sensor, the Spinfo is also giving you the relative humidity of the department so that you can control your performance if the RH is not proper. Department temperature, so it measures both the relative humidity as well as temperature. It also measures the power consumption, and power consumption, let me tell you, even the competitors are also measuring. Pneumafuel controls, this is what is innovative. In fact, we should visit MAG stall to understand what these pneumafuel controls are and what savings it can give us, how it can give us a better control and edge. Let's look at this video of Spinfo. It's a small video.
Beginning with a dense package of tangled fibers, the yarns are obtained as a result of efficient processing. In this process, optimizing the deployed resources by continuously monitoring and controlling the many essential variables improves the productivity and quality of the product, thus increasing the profitability of the mill. The ideal way of achieving this is by the vigilant monitoring of the process. The spindle monitoring system from MAG monitors the individual spindle position round the clock and updates you with the running performance of your mill with better coherence. Spinfo continuously monitors production, doffs, stoppages, end breaks, deviation spindles like rogue, slip and idle, draft, twist, power, air, temperature and RH monitoring are provided. MAG, complete textile testing solutions, fiber, yarn, fabric, processing and garments.
Is a local manufacturer from India. It's a wonderful system. Spincare says, go local, go vocal. Let's support the local products. Our contact information. You can WhatsApp and ask us to. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this video to your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to our channel if you are not subscribed. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you receive notification whenever we upload a new video on our channel. Thank you for watching.